Multiple ModelAdmins/views for same model in DjangoAdmin. How can I create more than one ModelAdmin for the same model, each customized differently and linked to different URLs? Let's say I have a Django model called Posts. By default, the admin view of this model will list all post objects. I know I can customize the list of objects displayed on the page in various ways by setting variables like list_display or overriding the query set method in my ModelAdmin like so. By default, this would be accessible at the URL/admin/myapp/post. However, I would like to have multiple views/ModelAdmins of the same model. E.g. /admin/myapp/post would list all post objects, and /admin/myapp/myposts would list all posts belonging to the user, and /admin/myapp/draftpost might list all posts that have not yet been published. These are just examples, my actual use case is more complex. You cannot register more than one ModelAdmin for the same model. This results in an already registered exception. Ideally, I'd like to achieve this without putting everything into a single ModelAdmin class and writing my own URLs function to return a different query set depending on the URL. I've had a look at the Django source and I see functions like modeladmin.changelist_view that could be somehow included in my URLs.py, but I'm not sure exactly how that would work. Update: I found one way of doing what I want, see below, but I'd still like to hear other ways of doing this.
I found one way to achieve what I want, by using proxy models to get around the fact that each model may be registered only once. Then the default post admin would be accessible at /admin/myapp/post and the list of posts owned by the user would be at /admin/myapp/myposts. After looking at this URL, I've come up with the following function utility function to do the same thing. This can be used as follows.
Paul Stone answer is absolutely great. Just to add, for Django 1.4.5 I needed to inherit my custom class from admin.modeladmin.
Based on the correct answers, I monkey patch the admin site class and add the method register_via_proxy to make the task easier. And to use is like